picked this morning.
Perfect, I'll take them. Thank you. These look so fresh today. Perfect for a warm soup. This looks perfect.
Only the best for you.
I love cooking with you. This is wonderful. Here, try some.
Thank you. It smells delicious.
Thank you.
Of course.
To a warm evening.
To good company.
This is perfect.
It really is.
This is kind of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not so bad with you.
Here, I'll dry that one. The lights are so beautiful tonight.
They are. It's magical.
I'm glad we can see them together. Goodbye. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. Stay safe.
You too.
I will.